Free legal advice is something you just don't want to turn down, and that's what we are offering tonight. You've seen our consumer lawyer, Eric Seidel, and his team of attorneys from the Hillsborough Bar take your legal questions on Good Day Tampa Bay. But tonight, he's taking the show on the road and helping folks out in person. He joins us live from the Lutz Library, in Lutz, of course. So, Eric, what are the questions you're getting?
Well, Kelly, being here at the Lutz Library, there are a lot of books, but we are hitting the legal books, focusing to answer your question mostly on wills, trusts, and estates, and some elder law, and we've been getting quite a big turnout for those questions. Now, one of the attorneys helping us from the Hillsborough Bar is Linda Faingold. And Linda, one of the questions you've been getting a lot tonight, what's the difference between a will and a trust?
Well, a will, definitely, if you have a will, it's going to go through probate. Your estate will go through probate. If you have a trust, if it's properly funded, you can avoid probate. And that's generally the biggest difference of when people are choosing between one and the other.
Excellent. And when are people actually particularly considering a trust? When does that come in?
When your estate is a little bit more complicated, you have more assets, and especially if you have minor children and you want to stretch out distribution for minor children, you want to be looking at a trust.
Very good. Now take a look. I put up a few more differences between wills and trusts. As you see there, we have everyone should obviously have a will. As opposed to a trust, a will is good if your finances are fairly simple, and you can get a will for as little as about $100. Now take a look at trusts. In some cases, they can help you minimize estate taxes. And as Linda was saying, most attorneys recommend trusts for estates that are somewhat substantial, around $100,000, or have a lot of real estate in them. And while a will can be fairly expensive, a basic trust, or a will can be fairly inexpensive, a basic trust can cost you thousands, so a lot more for a trust. Of course, the best way to decide which one exactly is right for you is to ask a lawyer, and of course you can do that right here tonight, coming down to the Lutz Library until 8 o'clock tonight, and we will have the answers for you. We'll be answering those questions for absolutely free. Back to you, Kelly and John.
We love the word free. Thank you, Eric.